This video demonstrates how to boot your Mac computer to Xtra PC. In this particular demonstration, I'm using a MacBook Air 2017. To start, insert your Xtra PC USB drive into an open USB slot on your Mac. Wait a few moments to make sure your Mac detects the Xtra PC USB drive. In my case, you could tell it has seen the Xtra PC USB drive because a couple of its partitions are shown on the desktop. Now restart your Mac by clicking on the Apple icon in the upper left-hand corner and then selecting Restart. If you're prompted again to restart, tell it to do so. Now when you hear the startup chime, press and hold the Option key. When you see the Startup Manager window, release the Option key. On the Mac Startup Manager, the Xtra PC drive will show up as either EFI boot, or sometimes it's even called Windows. It really depends on the firmware version of your Mac hardware and how it displays exactly. Now, we have seen that Macs made before 2011 may not boot to a USB drive. You won't even see an option on the Startup Manager to select any USB drive. So if that's the case for you, I would consult the documentation provided with your Mac on just exactly how you're supposed to boot it to a USB drive. Now, select your Xtra PC device, and in this case, in my demonstration, it shows as EFI boot. Then click the arrow under its icon or press Return to boot to the Xtra PC USB drive. After a few moments, you will see the Xtra PC boot splash screen and then the initial install wizard, where it starts by asking for your preferred language. And just to reiterate here, Xtra PC installs everything directly to the Xtra PC USB drive, and it never installs anything to your existing Mac drives. So if you want to go back and boot your Mac operating system, you simply shut down Xtra PC and boot your Mac computer as usual. Please visit the following website links to see more in-depth how-to videos and step-by-step instructions on starting and using your Xtra PC device.